Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and right now it's 8 o'clock. I just pulled up our Walmart right now, and let's wait for our first order. If you don't know, if this is the first time on this channel, this channel is about SparkDriver, y'all. I'm a SparkDriver full time, so let's sit here and let's see how long it's gonna take us to get our first good order, y'all. Our first good order. I just got my first order, but I didn't pick it up, y'all, because I don't like picking up returns order. Just because sometimes you can take a returns order and y'all, it's gonna take you a lot of minutes to get to the customer's house, because you won't know like how long the customer house is. So that's why I don't like picking up returns order. So I did not pick it up. Plus they don't even pay good, $10 for return order. I never seen a return order that's above $10, to be honest. I never, unless nobody's picking it up and it keeps surging. But otherwise, all that returns order that I sent, it's only $10. So I did not take that order. So let's sit here and wait for another order, y'all. I know I'm going to get another order. Y'all, guess what? Guess what, y'all? I just received the biggest order, one of the biggest order that I ever seen for drop off, y'all, and only for one drop off. Oh my god, y'all, I just received $66 for only one drop off, and it's going 3.5 miles. But guess what? It has a lot of items, y'all, like those big items like sodas, a lot of sodas, a lot of water, case of waters. But it's those I think the 24 one, no, I think the 12 one. I don't know to be exact, but I'm ready. I'm ready to pick them up. I am ready because that money, it matches. Yo, I don't care how many trips that I'm going to do. As long as it's not apartment and it's going upstairs, I am good. I am good. As long as it's not apartment and it's going upstairs, I can do that. So anyway, right now it's 8:42 and our pickup time is 9:15. So we have like almost 20 something minutes sitting here for that order, waiting for that order. But it's all right, we can wait, because $6 is a lot. So let's chill here and wait. Yo, look at that.
Pay for somebody's reason to make.
Yo, my car, it's super heavy. They are now finished putting everything in my car. Yeah, they put some in the front, the back, the mirror. Yeah. So I'm going 7 minutes, only 7 minutes. So let's go. I hope I get help. I hope so, because in the note it says that delivered to the dock. So I'm guessing it's a company. So I'm 100% sure that they're coming to help me. Yo, I'm going in here. I wanna make I need to back here. So this is it, yeah. So as y'all can see, I had help, yeah. I'm just now done, y'all. So it was easy, actually. Easy drop off because there were some guys that had to help me. So I delivered to the company, actually. So let's go back and get some more orders. Yo, I received another order. $30, y'all. $30 going 2 miles, 2 point something miles, and it's 3 drop off. 3 drop off. And yeah, I'm waiting for the pickup time. So blessed day. So far so good, yo. So far so good. For some reason they're taking too long to bring out the order, y'all. They're taking too long to bring out the order, but he's done putting everything in my car. So right now I'm about to go to my first drop off. It's like only 5 minutes from Walmart. So let's go deliver our first drop off. Yo, this is my first drop off, and guess where I'm going? 2G with the water. So I'm gonna make 2 trips for this water. I took this order because it paid good, and it's only 1 water. Otherwise, I wasn't gonna take it. If it was more than 1 case of water, because it's going upstairs, I wasn't gonna take it. But because it's only 1 case, it's alright, we can do it. Let's go to our second drop off, only 5 minutes from my first one. Let's go. Alright, let's drop off our second drop off. It's going 2303 down there. It's not a lot. Oops, yo, my third drop off. This is 03, 04, 05. I'm dropping it over there. So that's my third drop off when I'm gonna drop it off. So that's nice. It stinks over here. It really stinks. Okay, let's take this. Okay, let's go to our next drop off. Alright, let's take our last drop off. Ouch. I need to verify the ID. Hello. How are you?
Good.
I need ID. Good. Thank you. Yo, I'm done. This was easy drop off. Easy drop off, because 2 of my last orders, so it was in the same building. So let's go back and see if we can get more orders. $13 for 2.8 miles for 3 drop off. This is the kind of orders that I don't take. $13 for 3 drop off. I feel like it's not worth it. If it was 1 drop off, yeah, I would take it, like definitely take it. But 3 drop off for $13, no. So let's wait for another one. Just received another order. $20 $20 for 5 miles and 3 customer drop off, so I'm waiting for the pickup time. And yeah, all right, let's go drop off our first order. It's only 5 minutes away, y'all. Only 5 minutes away. Whew, there is bees here, y'all. Oh, almost got me. You're welcome. Let's go deliver our second drop off, y'all. Let's go. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thanks.
You got it?
I do.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
This one 50. Yo, my shift ends right here. I worked for 4 hours. I came to work, but I didn't plan to work the whole day because I have other appointments today. So I'm going to take care of my appointments, and my day ends over here right now. And for today, you guys, I made 117. It was such a good day, beautiful day. I wish I can work the whole entire day, but it's not gonna be possible because I have my other appointments. So if you like this kind of content, if you enjoy watching this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe, share, like, comment, and I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.